हम बात करेंगे थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन अ रेसिप्रोकेटिंग स्टीम इंजन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फॉर्म्स अ काइनेमेटिक लिंक? The answer is C. Second, a link or element need not to be a rigid body, but it must be a resistant body. Answer is A. A railway bridge is an example of a machine. Answer is false, because railway bridge is not a machine. The motion between a pair, when limited to a definite direction, irrespective of the direction of force applied, is known as completely constrained motion, incompletely constrained motion, successfully constrained motion. None of these. Option is A is correct. Now next question. The motion between a pair which takes place in dash is known as incompletely constrained motion. One direction only, more than one direction, more than one direction. Next, when the connection between the elements forming a pair is such that the constrained motion is not completed by itself but by some others, the motion is said to be a completely constrained motion. Option is false. This is wrong question. The answer is no. Next, the example of completely constrained motion is motion of a piston in a cylinder of a steam engine, motion of a square bar in a square hole, motion of a shaft with collar at each end in a circular hole, all of above. The option D is correct. All of these options are correct. Next question. The motion of a shaft in a circular hole is an example of. Option is B is correct. Incompletely constrained motion. The example of successfully constrained motion is a motion of IC engine valve, motion of the shaft between a footstep bearing, piston reciprocating engine inside engine cylinder. Option D. Which of the following statement is wrong? A round bar in a round hole form a turning pair. A square bar in a square hole form a sliding pair. A vertical shaft in a footstep bearing forms a successful constraint. All of above. Option C is correct. This is wrong. A vertical shaft in a footstep bearing forms a successful. This is completely constrained motion. Next, when the nature of contact between the element of a pair in such a way it can only side relative to other, the pair is known as sliding pair. When the nature of contact between the element of a pair is such that it can turn or revolve above a fixed axis, their pair is known as a rolling pair. This is incorrect. When the nature of contact between the elements of a pair is such that one element can turn about the other by a screw thread, the pair is known as screw pair. 14 question. A sliding pair has a completely constrained motion. Is it true or false? True. Next question. Which of the following is an example of sliding pair? Piston and cylinder of a reciprocating steam engine, shaft with collar at both ends fitted into a circular hole, lead screw of a lathe with nut, ball and socket joint. Option A is correct. Piston and cylinder of a reciprocating steam engine is example of sliding pair. Which of the following is an open pair? Ball and socket joint, general joint, lead screw and nut, cam and follower. Option A is correct. Ball and socket joint is an open pair. The lead screw of a lathe with nut forms a rolling pair, sliding pair, screw pair, turning pair. The option C is correct, screw pair. Which of the following is a turning pair? Piston and cylinder of a reciprocating steam engine, shaft with collar at both ends fitted into a circular hole, lead screw of a lathe with nut, ball and socket joint. B is correct, shaft with collar at both ends fitted into a circular hole. When the two elements of a pair have a surface contact, relative motion makes place and the surface of one element slides over the surface of the other. The pair formed is known as lower pair. Thank you for watching this video. For more important questions, subscribe my channel.